We move to our keynote session, our next keynote session on how to choose the best broker. I'm sure a very quintessential question that comes to our mind always when we really look forward to choosing a broker. But who better than an expert to really share his insights with us? We have with us a seasoned financial markets veteran with over 20 years of experience. He specializes in business strategy, high net worth client services, and global market analysis. I must say, a sought after speaker and webinar host, he offers deep insights into regulations, markets, and risk management. We have with us the regional manager at ICM.com, Mr. Sai Mahesh. Please give him a round of applause as he steps forward.
Hello. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How to choose the best broker. So this is Sai Mahesh from ICM. So I guess there are a lot of things in your mind for a people who are investor or trader, how to choose the best broker here. So in your financial markets, it's one of the biggest market globally, and you can say that it is like one of the volatile markets ever in the globe. So to choose or to rely on a particular broker, how to choose the brokers are very, very important factors that everyone has to be think and wisely decision about. All right, thank you. Sorry. Hello. Great, thank you. It's working? Yeah. All right. So I am going to give you some important factors today, how to choose the best brokers. It's help you for you, like even for the beginners or maybe for experienced traders. I came across many experience from our existing clients, traders or something. They came across to open the trading account with some broker by his friend reference or maybe by word of mouth, something like that. But end of the day, if something dispute happens with the broker, they don't know where to find, where to get the solutions, how to claim their funds, or how to find the solution for the trading platforms or something like that. So where I'm going to give you a simple way, it's very simple, but it's very important to know, aware, educate yourself, knowledge yourself, how to choose the best brokers. So end of the session, like you can ask your questions. I'm happy to help you so that we can take it forward from there. So regulation is one of the first prime most important factors that every investor has to be considered to open a broking account with any broker. So when you say broking, it's trading in a licensed regulated broker is very, very important. I can see, I don't want to name it out, something like that, but when you come into the regulation, why? Because the assurance of your fund, security of funds plays on standard in a line. So that helps you that you're secured, your fund is secured. That feels you more comfortable. One, the purpose of regulation to protect your undisclosed financial risk and fraud. That's most important thing to be considered as your fund. So I'm going to point out some few top popular regulation which the broker can, that administrator can consider the brokers which can be regulated. One is like Financial Conduct Authority, which is from UK, which is basically a FCA regulations. You can also look for a broker who have this kind of regulations. The second one is like Austrian regulation, Investment Commission, which is ASEC. This is also one of the popular and major regulation we can consider, which is one of the, why? Because I'm coming to this kind of popular regulations and because they form up with a proper financial status with the other broker. They maintain the client segregated accounts basically. That means your fund is being saved in a particular segregated bank account with a particular regulation based. So other one is a Cyprus Securities and Exchange, and you can say when you come into Emirates Securities and Commodities Authority, it's one of the other best and popular exchange coming up with nowadays. Most of the brokers from Dubai or UAE, they always have this kind of regulations under that. And we can say other regulations, Abu Dhabi Global Market Regulation, normally they call as ADGM, is one of the most popular regulations. And other one is like Financial Services Commissions or Mauritius regulation. So there are other more regulations apart from this, but what I suggest, my perspective is that this is the more popular and very secure regulation where the client has to be understand and knowledge yourself when you're going to open the account with the trading accounts. So this is what exactly about the regulations. So after the regulation, what are other steps to be followed? It is a process of step understanding about the broker. It's not just like that they have a platform, okay, I'll go and open the account, I'll trade it. They have a product, I'll go and trade it. They have other facilities like some commission trading, no commissions or zero, something like that. It's not all about. It's a process of understanding about yourself, which broker to choose or which broker to be trade with that, which help you in case of any dispute happens with the broker or any bankrupt happen with the broker or insolvency happen with the broker. So this is one of the major first point to be considered as a trader to wants to start with the regulations. Next point, varieties of markets to the trade. Yes, because why I say this, because you may be interested on a particular instruments or a product to trade. For example, everyone knows about gold, right? Okay, you get into the gold markets and you have the platform to trade in gold. All right, then fine, you may be correlated with some other products. Maybe it may be correlated with the other denomination currencies like dollar or maybe with oil or something like that. So make sure that you have enough products in the platform with a broker to trade enough. Because for example, if you compare with the paired currencies or something like that, or with the other commodity with the other correlation with other products, it's mismatched with your fundamental information which fluctuation happens in the markets. So go with the product, with the broker, sorry, we have all the products available for the trading, especially from the top to bottom. Anyway, we're going to come across with what are the products that are going to be available in the markets which can help you out. So variety of markets which can say currencies, so you can trade in currencies. You can do in commodities like gold, silver, oil. These are more popular in commodities trading. Apart from this, the other products like agriculture products available or base metals available or something. But more popular, which you can say gold, silver and oil, these are more important commodities we can say. Indices, like you can say, this is more popular because like those who are trading in Indian markets like BSE or NSE stock markets, obviously the markets follow the US markets exactly. The Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, S&P. So this as information for you, priorly information about the markets, how the markets going to be react, how it's going to be gap up or gap down on the next day of the markets. So when you have the indices as a track on your platform, that and make you more understanding how is going to be the market for the next day in the Indian market, stock markets. So indexes are also very important. Like even for US, I'm talking about UK or European stock markets, or which also be available for the trading, the platforms. Shares, what are shares available? Like there are 5,000, 6,000 shares available from Nasdaq or S&P. Choose a broker which has all the stocks, because we never know which stocks going to be give you a performance on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So if you have option of choosing your stocks or something, you can have a option to trade on all the stocks. And coming to next, sorry, cryptocurrencies, you know, that quite popular. So the currencies or digital currencies are quite so volatile nowadays, and more interested on cryptocurrencies like you can say BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many other. So you can choose. It doesn't mean that you have to go with what the product the broker has. It's all depends on you, like what product you want to trade with the broker. So if you have all the products clubbed in a one platform, which help you to take a decisions technically, which to take a decisions on your call on a trading purpose actually. So these are the main important second factors which is going to be important for you to take a product wise to take a decisions on the next what are brokers to be chosen. Okay, the third one is platform. Yes, this is very important thing, because the platforms, one, that you're going to connect with the market. Okay, the service, regulations, payment, support, that's a back end of the things. But what you're going to face with the trading, it's a platform. The platform should be user friendly for you. User friendly means like it should be very easy to understand, very easy to execute your trades, very easy to go with a journal, I mean the trading history, very easy to modify, very easy to select the type of trading or something. So that's most important thing. So trading platform is also one of the important. That platform to have n number of informations, that technical tools, fundamental information should be there. Apart from this, like type of account we can use, or we can say back test your trading strategy, or you can say like a test of your existing strategy with that platform. So many options should be there. So this will help you to understand or keep you more comfortable zone that like easy for you to user friendly to execute the trades, place orders, also like to follow your orders, journal your orders, everything will be. So among the popular platform, we can say globally MT4 MetaTrader 4 is one of the popular platform, where it's one of the user friendly platform, globally is available, easy to access, which are available on the desktop as well as available on the mobile trading. So easy for you that. Second one is that MetaTrader 5. It's a different version, it's all from the meta codes, but this has some small features, and the other one has a different features. A small different features will be, but both are been very flexible, user friendly, more or less same. There's only difference on the executions, understanding the features, analysis tools, or getting update about the market news or something like that. Everything will be going to be the same. Depends on the professional trading version, the platform feature will be different, but if you're a professional trader, you can always go for MT5 platform. It has more advanced kind of features available for the trading. Next one, I can suggest you to go for C Trader. Again, this is for a professional trader. Definitely this has additional advantage compared to MT4 and MT5. That means, for example, you are bought some products, some instruments to buy or sell something. So that platform C Trader has option to keep your stop loss. You know the market, if you're trading, you understand what is stop loss, what is targets. So you could trail your stop loss, or you can move your profits, targets, depends on the levels of the market moves. So some features are available, but I say the most popular in the globally in this market, for especially for online trading, these are the three. So choose this among that. And best part is that all brokers, most of the brokers will provide you demo trading accounts. So before you start trading, or before you understand the trading, or before you invest into the trading account or the money, you always go with the demo trading, understand which product you want to trade, choose the product, do some back testing, how the potential of the markets, how the risk involved in the markets, then familiar with your platform, how user friendly the platform is it, then go for a live account trading or something. So all brokers give you the facilities of demo account. Take the facilities and start with this. So these are among the platform which you can have practice, and you can use it in a better way. Okay, leverage. Maybe the experienced traders have this things. Always the brokers comes with a different note that high leverage. We provide high leverage, but honestly speaking, as a trader or investor myself or something, like I speak that a decent and a proper leverage helps you to build your portfolio. Higher the leverage, higher the risk, always. Why? Because you take all your money into the markets. That means you're taking a maximum amount of your markets with a smaller money with a bigger risk. So it's all suit. So risk management plays a major role when it coming to the leverage and margin. So leverage is nothing but, and margin is nothing but a token of amount. If you're trading in F&O or maybe in the equity markets, you may come across. The same way, any products will have some percentage or fixed price to pay the margin to buy some products. So these all are leverage trading product or margin trading accounts. That means you are going to pay a token amount to buy some product, but the value of the product will be equivalent to the total value of your profit and loss. So think about it. You buy a smaller amount with a small amount, but you're getting into a bigger size of the trading. But profit is okay, enjoy the profit. Everyone wants money. That's what the previous talk was. Everyone loves money, but who loves risk? The loss. So when the market goes against you, the same amount of loss will be accumulated on our account. So take appropriate proper leverage. That means instead of taking a higher leverage like more than 1 to 200 above, or maybe 1 to 500 or something, that means you're taking higher risk on your trading. That helps really burn your account, or it will get you in your best shape on your portfolio. So choose a proper leverage. The level of leverage and margin accounts available here are the crucial factor of decisions. It's a very important decision when you're in trading. I'm talking the process. One is the regulations, other one is the platform, then how to take execution on your trade. So leverage plays a major role. You can choose a leverage, whichever leverage you want according to your strategy, according to your risk management, according to your risk taker, what you can take in your account, and according to your balance available on your account. So depending on the account size, you can take your risk on this. So 1:50 is one of the decent. 1 is to 100 also is the best, and 1 is to is a standard level of leverage. So choose a standard level. Don't go anything more than that. That will really affect you unless you don't have a solid strategy, a solid back-tested report from your trading strategy that will help you. But anyway, market is market. We never know. Market is always a risk is there in the markets. So obviously, to avoid risk, to caution from the risk, to always keep a standard level of leverage, so that will protect somewhere on your account, which from the bigger loss or to burn your trading account or something like that. So the leverage is a margin is one of the next, and we go for next commission and spreads. So maybe a little bit beginners maybe have technical information to needed about this. Some brokers ask for commissions, some brokers doesn't ask for commissions. But however, brokers need to make money, right? They can't give you for the free. So somewhere the brokers making money out of your account, it indirectly or directly, to be honestly speaks. So when you say the commission we charge, that means they charge in front of your account saying that for one transaction I charge this much, or this much quantity of your trading I charge this much. Right? Some brokers are there, it will be indirectly charged by having the spread. Spread is nothing but the buying price and the selling price. So whenever you have a tightened spread, a close spread, that means your trading, your commission, the charge or a fee or you're going to pay to the broker is less. Whenever the spread is very wider, that means your charges and commission is going to be more on this. So choose. Depends on you which one you want to go. So basically the spread is difference between the bid and ask, that is a spread you can say. The commissions are other sort of consider. So you can choose your broker which one, and especially there are traders who do different type of traders are there in the markets. Scalpers. Scalpers when they go in few seconds and come back. But for a fact like buy, sell, buy, sell. So they want a very tight, because if it is wider, what happens? It burns the profit from the spreads. There are traders who look for day trading. They want a standard trade. It's fine with that. Small difference is there, it's fine. Those who are looking for a long term trading, like they keep it for a weekly basis or looking for a monthly basis, they wait for the investment, the markets to move for far long. So they can nothing to worry about the spreads because they are not going to do active trading. So nothing to care about. So choose depends on whatever traders you are. Choose commissions, choose the spread. So this will give you the broker. So definitely brokers have different type of accounts. So your duty, that's your responsibility to choose which account you want to choose, and you can trade on that. So this helps you to fix up the spread and commissions. Next, deposits, withdrawals. So if you're going for a broker with us multi-regulations or regulated from some other globally, obviously the payment is the biggest challenge for any brokers, even especially for the investors. When talking about Indian banking system, or you're talking about from the base from India or from different other countries, every broker has a different judiciary to have their own banking system, own deposit accounts, banking, everything. But according to your comfortable, according to your way of method of payment, you just try to choose a broker which is available with that. Don't go for a broker randomly. He may be good in regulation, he may be good in spreads, they have no commissions, they are very good platform, fantastic platform, but you don't have the proper deposit and withdrawal option, because that matters a big way, because end of the day what the money receipt to your account, that matters. How fast the money can come to you, that is the matters. You have done a very good trading, you have made good profits, but you have excellent analysis, you have very good support, but payment has to be received. So think wisely, make some kind of transaction, test yourself with the broker, how fast the withdrawal comes, how flexible the payment goes to them, what are the method you choose. So there are varieties. So brokers suggest, broker has a different kind of methods of payment solutions to each and every region, for each and every category of clients, which can choose for yourself. So wisely you can take decisions, but make a back test, make some withdrawals, make some deposit, do n number of times, then make sure you are comfortable with that everything from your part, no be extra charges, nothing has been deducted from your account, no stopping, no delay on the withdrawals, then take a decision to the next level of your trading, accounts. So deposit plays a major role. Customer support, again, you are good in trading, you are everything, but who to contact? where to contact. If I message, I mail someone, they come back to me after 48 hours. They come back to me, they don't reply back to me. Or I have a quick chat, or I have someone to contact me as a dedicated manager or something, which we can reply me immediately because I am in the situation where the market is always keep on moving. It's a 24 hours markets. It never stop for me. It never wait for me anything. So I want a quick solution, quick report. If something happens in my account, I didn't receive my money. I deposited my money. I didn't got my reply. I didn't got my update in my account. So you need a customer support, at least for 24/7 desk, which you can able to reply back at least within 24 hours maximum most of the time. So this is one of the point to be noted, that when you have opening a trading account. And live chat, so you should get a quick response mostly. You don't get the complete solution because live chat, it can be automated with the AI, or it can be automated reply as per your type of questions categories, but still you get some reply. That reply or your queries or your request will be sent to your concerned team to reply back to you. So this helps us. So again, there should be some dedicated relationship manager should be there to quick access, at least to solve, or at least to give a reply that you are considered, your question has been considered to help you out. So these are three important when you come into the customer supports. If any one is not there or any two is not there, definitely you have to wait a little, wait for that, try that who is the contact person, or who is the concerned person to contact for my account, not for the general account, for my account, who is the contact person. So that help you, quick response, anything happens in the trading platform, sometime due to any reason, technical glitches, the trading platform can be freezed, or it can be anything can happen, or anything, it can be anything. See, I'm saying, you don't know, like you have been trading for 1 month proper, suddenly one day the problem rise for you, and suddenly the platform has been frozen. So you have to have a question, someone to reply back to me. So you have to have this kind of support, that your account is being always there to someone is be helping out. So this is a very important thing. And the last foremost thing, educational tools, because everyone need information, everyone need a knowledge. That means market is something different. We never understand the market, how it reflect, how it trades. So in this cases, like a broker which help you to find a broking offers plenty of trading materials. How they help you, how to educate yourself, what kind of materials they provide. Normally, like see the broker which offers like market insights, how the markets on the European markets, how was the market when there was US markets, and they also give you some scenarios whether this market is going to go up or down. More than enough. If you're 100% a pure trader, like sitting in the desk doing for my 24 hours bar 7 with that only for trading, that's a different case. You will have the own idea and own strategy, because there are millions of strategies available in the markets. But if you don't have time, I'm a businessman, I'm working somewhere, I don't get time on that. So you depend on something. Obviously, look for some report and do the trade. Don't do a trade just as a sata, gambling. It's not help you. Today you make money, but tomorrow you wash out everything. So here the educational information is very important to understand. Market insight is very important to understand how you get information from the broker, what kind of information you get from the broker which help you. Normally daily market size, seminars, webinars where they contact regularly about the markets, about what kind of current status, fundamental informations. There are a lot of calendars are there when the news comes, as like in Indian markets we have different financial reports comes for banks, other reports come CPI, PPI something. The same way the international market has the same kind of report. When the report comes, how it's going to be reflect. So there will be pre and the post. Try to understand what is it. So you have to educate yourself. No one is going to come and teach you. You have to learn yourself when you go first. But there will be a support from the broker, like, okay, I am providing the market insights, how the market. I'm going to provide you the webinar. I'm going to give you a seminar. I'm going to give you training for you, advanced training on the particular type of technicals, risk management, psychology, trading psychology. These are the categories. So you can get the information from them. That way we are to do. So these are the major factors where you have to choose, starting from regulation, products, platforms, withdrawals, commissions, spreads, supports, and finally with educational tools. So this is all about today. But as I'm here today, I'd like to give you more a small intro, because I'm from ICM, where I'm happy to and very proud to share some information about ICM for a couple of minutes. So then I'll end my session. So basically, we are established from 2009 from London. It's a UK-based broker, and we are a multi-regulated broker. Not even from UK or FCA. We are regulated with other regulations. The strongest regulation, what is seen there, it's not mean that I'm showing what are regulation with us and I'm going to no, it's not like that. It's commonly it's a popular regulator, and we have Abu Dhabi global regulations. We have Mauritius regulations on top. So we have the products like currencies, commodities, stocks, indices, CFDs, futures, and cryptocurrency trading. And also we have a best product providers of the platform which is called MT4, MT5, C Trader, and we have one more platform which is called ICM Securities, which helps the clients to trade in Gulf stocks markets, Gulf exchange. For example, trading in Dubai exchange stocks, Abu Dhabi stocks, or Saudi or any other Gulf based stocks is available. This is about based about ICM. Right, yes, these are the regulations we hold with ICM, FCA, ADGM, Abu Dhabi Gold, Global Markets, FSS, FSA, FSCA, other regulations, and 5,000 plus investment instruments we have, starting from currencies, commodities, stocks. If you take for stocks, we have almost all the stocks from US. You take, name it anything, we have it on the platforms. So it's open share anytime. We don't know which stock is going to be boom in a day. So you can choose, depends on the fundamental information, what you get, or any information you get from totally on the other side. Other one is that civil liability. Always any broker or investors are being safeguarded or assured by the regulations, right? If anything happens to the broker, so the regulator come front, okay, this happens with the broker as solvent, he has bank corrupted, so the regulation comes in forward and they try to claim the money, return back the money. Fine. But additionally, we are called civil liability insurance protection of a trading account. That means we were the one broker initiated this concept for last 5-6 years, more than that. That means if a broker, a bank corrupt or insolvents happen to the broker, so this is an insurance company, we protected all our clients' accounts till £5 million. That means what are the amount you have till 5 million, you can able to claim back. I'm not talking about the loss. Loss is different from the trading. I'm talking about the bank corrupt. That means anything happens to the broker. So one of the best thing which we have additionally the double protection of your trading account from the regulation and from the civil liabilities. Then award winning platform, that's as usual I said about ICM Cashier, that means about the payment solution we have. We have payment solution globally for every clients and every category of clients, especially including India. So we have MAM and PAM, those are traders like portfolio managers, or I'm a fund manager. This platform is well facilitated for them because one click, all the clients will be traded on the same price. Just one click. Instead of going and login with each and every clients to trade, one click you get all the clients to trade. This especially for the trading for fund managers. Best possible execution. Execution means you see the executions is the perfect, like there's no delay or platform, because the platform is an award winning platform. Don't be any delay on unless you have a problem on your data or network something. But from our side, execution is one of the fastest. A competitor spread, we have very tight spread in the competitor market, because since we are from 2009, we know to whom what we are to offer to the client to build best users. So we have liquidity, means like we give a lot of a huge volume of pricing for the clients. So this is all about ICM. This is all about today, and I'm happy here today to discuss all those things. It's maybe a small thing or basic things, but I like to put you, because I've seen in my experience clients are stuck somewhere. They find regulation good, not good in payments. Sometimes they're stuck with support. They're not good in this. So I want to explain this thing. Happy to be here. If you have any questions, you can raise your questions here. I'm happy to help you today.
Well, can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Sai Mahesh one more time?
Thank you.
I believe so. We're out of time, so we'll not be able to take questions at the moment.
Right. We are there in the booth number 17. You can have your questions, or you can come over there. You can explore any information. You can come and directly meeting over there also. I'm happy to help. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you. All right. Well, I'm sure that many of you all would have a lot of questions, but you said booth number 17.
Yeah.
So yes, that's where the booth number, but that's the booth number. So you all can definitely reach out to our speakers offline for your questions. Thank you one more time.